conditions which I'll be looking for making it implemented on the sheet. As the first condition which I'm looking for is calculate discount value as 10% of sale if sale is greater than 2000. That's the first case which I'm looking for. So I'll go for call it column discount 1. If IF, a logical test, I say this value should be greater than 2000. If it's true, what I could do, I'll say 10% of this value to be calculated as a discount, otherwise no discount, 0 to be there. Enter and drag it. So if you drag it, you will be getting this information where you can see this wherever value is greater than 2000, I'll be getting 10% of sale as a discount. Next, let me take this value formula for our reference so that we can relate the things. As a second task is where I'm looking for calculate discount as 5% if course is Python. Let's say discount second column name. Condition is what? If I'm validating string or text, you can say if value is Python, I should get a 5% of my sales value off, otherwise no discount. Then select and you can press Ctrl D. Wherever I'm having Python as a course, I'll be getting 10% off of sale. Third condition, let's go ahead. So I'll say calculate discount of 10% if sales is greater than 2000 as well as product is W. In that case, let me write down the next column name as a discount 3. I'll say if. In that case, I have to go for the two condition. Then in that case, if both the condition need to be true, and then go for the logical function, that is AND. I'll say first condition, sales should be greater than 2000. Second condition is my course should be W. You have to make sure the spelling and the case should be same. If it's true, I say we should get a discount of 10%, otherwise no discount. Select Ctrl D. So W spelling, okay. Let me change the spelling of W. So we had written the product name as tableau and amount of sale should be greater than 2000. If it's both are true, then only I'll be getting discount of 10%. Let me copy this formula. Let me go for the fourth condition. This is calculate discount of 5% if sales is greater than 2000 or product is Python. So my condition is either of the case can be true. In that case, I should get a 5% off. So let me name it a discount 4. Here we will be using other logical function, that is OR. I'll say sales should be greater than either sales should be greater than 2000 or product should be a Python. If any of the case true, then I'll get a 5% of sales value, otherwise no discount. Let me drag it. So you can notice this thing, but even in case we are getting sale, we are getting discount because Thus we had used the OR function there instead of AND. In case of OR, we say either of the case can be true, then we'll be getting the output as a true. So let me go for the next case. One more condition. Remove this line to get some space to showcase. So fifth condition I'm having, calculate discount of 5% if course is other than word. So whenever I say other than word means we are having one more logical function available. This is not. So it is considering the inverse values. If not, product mera is not a word, then I should get a 5% off as a discount. Control D, selection Control D. You can see other than word I will be getting discount of 5%. That's a if condition available where we can